Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on page 333 in our math workbook. This is a review of several chapters, so we're going to see how much you remember from the other chapters. Okay, let's look at the row with the duck. How many smiley faces are left? All you have to do is work that problem. 5 take away 2. Yes, that leaves you with 3. Okay, let's go to the row with the heart. You have 7 blue cubes plus 2 green cubes. How many cubes do you have altogether? Okay, I'm going to let you do these on your own. Okay, let's look at the row with the 3-leaf clover. This problem says 28, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 is less than 10, 20, 31, is equal to 31, or is greater than 31. What did you put for this one? Yes, the answer is less than. 28 is less than 31. You can see that by looking at it because here you have 2 groups of 10 and here you have 3. So we know that 28 is less than 31. Okay, now this one's going to be very hard, so watch out. How many jacks are in that rectangle? Okay, let's go to the row with the star. This shows you about 10 marbles. Which of those has about 20 marbles? What one did you pick for that? Well, if this is 10, this looks pretty close to the same amount, doesn't it? But does this look like it could be about double what those are? So I would say that one shows about 20 marbles. Okay, let's turn over on the back. You remember the graphs that we use. Okay, let's look at this graph right here with tally marks. Write how many voted for the yellow crayon. So what do you do there? First off, you find the yellow crayon and you count the tally marks to see how many children voted the yellow crayon as being their favorite. So how many is that? We know that's a group of 5, 6. Okay, let's go to the row with the heart. Circle the crayon with the fewest votes. What does fewer mean? That means less, correct? Fewer and less mean the same thing. So circle the crayon with the fewest votes. Which one would that be? This one has more. And we can see that this one has less than this one and this one. So the answer would be the blue. Okay, let's go to the 3-leaf clover. Circle the coins needed to buy this rocket. How much is that? Correct, 11 cents. So circle the correct amount of coins to buy that rocket. Okay, well on that one, let's see. What is this coin? Yes, that's a dime and that's worth 10 cents. What is this coin? Correct, that's a nickel and that's worth 5 cents. Okay, if we put these two coins together, 10 and 5 more would be 15, so that would be too much, correct? Let's try this, 10, 11. So I could use a dime and 1 penny to buy the rocket. Let's see if there's another way we could do it. Okay, here's a nickel. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's two ways we could actually do it. We could circle the nickel and all the pennies, or the dime and 1 penny. All right, let's go down to the row with the butterfly. We're going to write how much we see under the coins, and then we're going to circle the greater amount, or the amount that is more. Okay, let's look at this coin. We've had this quite a few times now. What is that? Correct. That's a quarter, and that's worth 25 cents. What is this? Yes, that's a penny, and that's worth 1 cent. So how much money do we have here if we're counting on from the greater number? 25, 26. So we write 26 on the line. Okay, who can tell me what this coin is? Correct, that's a dime. And how much is that worth? 10 cents. Who can tell me what those coins are? Yes, those are pennies. So that's 1 cent and 1 cent. Let's count on from 10. 10, 11, 12 cents. Okay, which is the greater amount, or the amount that is more? Yes, we know that 26 is more. Okay, let's look down at this problem right here. We are going to decide what kind of problem this is. Bob has some green counters. He takes away some of the counters. See where he's X'd them out? Write a number sentence to see how many counters are left. So when we're trying to see how many are left, what is that? Is that a plus or a takeaway? Yes, that's a takeaway. Okay, we know what the answer to this problem is, right? Or we know that we're working with a 10 frame. We don't know the answer yet, but we know how much we're starting with. We've decided it's a takeaway because of the X's. Okay, how many are we starting with? Yes, we know we have 10 because that's a 10 frame. So let's write 10. We start out with 10 green counters. So we know that we're taking some away, so we put a takeaway sign, correct? How many did Bob take away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He took away 6 green counters. How many counters does Bob have left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, boys and girls, and that's the end of that chapter. Awesome.